you want, you can use any time. We have completed these topics, these all, and up to here we have finished. Al-Wazail, look here. Up to here we finished. Today you will study GUI and up to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 topic. After this, after explanation of this one, there will be break for 15 minutes, as you know. After the break, you will study Windows 7. Okay?
Okay.
That is also very easy. I will tell you know most of the things you know. When you start your computer, after starting, your computer display like this,
Yes.
When you start your computer, after starting, it display like this. And this is your Windows operating system. It is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Can you see?
Yes.
GUI. The question is in your exam software. G means graphical, U means user, I interface. Okay. Why we call it graphical user interface? What is the reason?
What?
Why we call Windows as graphical user interface? Why?
Because the start window count.
Because everything we see as pictures. We use mouse. We don't use command like we are using in DOS. We use command. In Unix we use command. But here we use pictures. Everything you can see. It display menus. Program display in menus, icon. Okay, that's why it is called graphic user. This is desktop. Okay, this portion is desktop. When we start our computer, first we get desktop. And these are icons. Can you see? This. These are icons. I am talking about this. What is icon? Icon
Picture.
is a picture.
Simple.
It represents any program. Whatever program. What is this program?
Flash.
No.
Adobe Reader.
Adobe Reader. What is this program?
Mozilla Firefox.
Firefox. What is this program? That is called
We're wrong.
WinRAR. WinRAR. So these are the pictures. These pictures are called icons. Feature of GUI. What is the feature? How you know it is graphical user interface? Make it easy to move data from one folder to other folder. For example, in your computer, if there is C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, many drive are there. There are some file in C drive. You want to put in D drive. You no need to give any command. Just click and drag it. From F drive to D drive, just click and drag it. Copy, paste, cut. Very easy in the GUI. Pointing device. Now you will study about the pointing device. Pointing device means, what is this? Touch screen. Touch screen means you can just touch and use. This is stylus. Have you seen HTC mobile? When you open the HTC mobile, there is a pen. You can use that pen for using your mobile. Okay. So that pen is called stylus. Now we use just our finger, not pen. Now we are using just pen, finger. But that is called stylus. What is this?
Mouse.
Mouse. This is joystick. This is light pen. So these are pointing device. Pointing means we can focus any part of the screen. We can indicate this. We can control cursor by using these things. Next one is mouse. It is most important part of your GUI. Mouse is used to move the arrow on the screen. Just you can move arrow on the screen, or you can, various uses of mouse is there. In Windows operating system and as well as Linux as well as Macintosh, you are using most of the work we are doing by using the mouse. Just click and do. Mouse makes our work very easy. Copy, paste, cut, everything, drag, drop, very easy. This is a mouse, this mouse, and this is a mouse pointer. This is called arrow. Form of mouse pointer, you can change that arrow in these forms. These are various forms of mouse arrow. You can change it from control panel, then mouse, then change the mouse pointer. Technique of using a mouse. How to use a mouse? Very easy. You can point. You see in this picture, arrow is pointing to this. Pointing means it is showing this. Clicking. Clicking means you can click on any folder and just select. It is selected. You can click to next one, it will select. You can click next, it will select. Double clicking. If you double click left button, it will open. Okay. When you double click on any item on the desktop or any icon, then it will be open.
That's great.
Dragging. Dragging means, you know what it means of dragging. Dragging means, for example, anything here I used to drag. You know this, I am dragging this one like this. Or anything tied here, you drag. Drag. You know what it means of dragging now? No? In Arabic I don't know the word, but in mouse what you can do? By mouse you can move any folder. Just click and put it. Drag and leave it. This is called drop. Drag, leave it, drop. Drag and drop. Right click. Right click, you know, right click on any item. As you saved the picture, no?
The option.
In the Google and images, and you search the picture, then right click save picture as. So right click means it will open a window, a small menu. From this menu you can choose. Right, like you selected from Google Images. Right click on the picture, save picture as and desktop or anywhere. So it will display a drop down menu. That is called context menu. Next step is type of mouse. How many type of mouse are there? Not only 2, 4 type of mouse are there. Mechanical and optomechanical.
What's meaning type?
Yes, means category. Category of car, like SUV and car and Jeep. Okay, different type of car are there. So how many type of mouse are there? That is the category. So mechanical, optomechanical. Mechanical mouse is this one, old mouse. In this mouse, there was a rubber ball down. When you move your mouse, the arrow was moving on the screen. When you move mouse, the cursor, the arrow was moving. There was no light.
Yes.
Okay. After that it came
Light.
optomechanical. In this one, when you move this mouse, this and this was moving, then cursor was moving. After that came this mouse. In this one, when you move, then with the light it was detecting. With the ball was moving and light was changing. Due to the movement in the light, your cursor was moving. After that it came optical and cordless. You see, optical, whatever mouse is here, in your classroom you can see this one. This mouse, this is a optical mouse. How it works, you know? How it works. When you move, cursor moves, but how it works? How cursor moves? Yes, due to the laser beams. This is laser beam. When you move this one on the table or any surface, the table is not so smooth. So on the table there are like this, it is there.
Okay.
When you move this light like this, it is light reflects here and there. So your cursor moves on the screen. Cordless or wireless mouse. Have you seen anybody saw this mouse, cordless mouse, wireless mouse?
Bluetooth.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, with Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, yes. There is no wire. You don't need to connect the wire. You can keep your laptop there, put the Bluetooth there, and here is your mouse. You can use from here. Very easy. Connecting the mouse. Very easy. You know how to connect it. If your mouse is PS2 mouse, like this, back side of your PC you can connect. If you have USB mouse, like this new one, you can attach. If you have wireless mouse, no need to connect. You can use it from distance. What is keyboard? Very important. Okay. What is keyboard? Yes.
Board.
Keyboard, I will show you.
Board with letters. Input device.
So many things are here. I will take this keyboard. Yes. You can connect. You know how to connect, no?
Yeah.
Look. I will explain. Same thing is here. Whatever is here, I will explain it. Okay. Keyboard. It is a device used to enter letter A B C D 1 2 3 alpha alif be pe te te se jim che he ke so on so on so on. After that I don't know.
Okay.
And used to enter letter, number or symbol. Different type of keys are there on this keyboard. See here. These are alphabet key. In English it is A to Z. How many?
27.
Huh?
26.
A to Z. How many?
26.
26. So this is called alphabet keys. I will explain this keyboard, then I will go through this one. This is called function keys. F1 to F12. Can you see? F1, F2, F3, up to F12. These are function keys. These are used in different programs for different purpose. For example, in Windows, F2 you can use for change the folder name or file name, rename. Press F2 key and you can write a new name, rename your folder. And you can use Shift and F7 key, Shift and F7 key in Word for seeing the different spelling, different synonyms.
A to board.
Okay, so this is function keys, F1 to F12 function keys, A to Z alphabet key. Then this one 0 1 2 3 4 5 number keys. Then you see bracket, dollar, pound, percent, symbol keys. After that arrow keys. This is arrow key. And these control, alt, delete, these are called control keys. So about that it is given, you see. This is a keyboard. Alphabet keys, as I said, A, B, C, D. Control keys, control, alt, delete, tab, caps lock, etc. Function keys, F1, F2, F12. Navigation means arrow keys. This, left, right, top, bottom. And numeric keypad, this one, num lock. When you press this button, you can use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When this light is off, then you can use this as an arrow key. This is the use of num lock. And indicator keys, or there is a toggle keys. There is a topic or there is a question in your exam. What is toggle keys? Toggle keys you can understand. When you press this key, num lock, the light is on. When you press scroll lock, this light is on off. When you press caps lock, light is on off. So the key which is used as two times. When you press caps lock, one time you can write a small letter. When you press caps lock, again you can write capital letter. So same key you can use for two times. That is called the toggle keys. Or you can say in general, when this light is on off with the keys, that is toggle keys. Okay. Escape key, this one, this is used to cancel any program. If any program is running, you want to cancel, exit, you can press. Print screen key. This one, can you see?
Yes.
Print screen key. Whatever you see on the screen, this one, can you see? This.
Yeah.
If you want to take a picture, press print screen key. Computer will take the picture of this one, go to Word or open Paint, paste. So same picture will come there. That is the use of print screen key. F keys means F1, F2, F12, function keys. These are used in different program, different purpose.
What do you mean?
Function keys.
Yeah.
For example, if you when you press F1 key, it will give you help. If you press F11 key, F11 in Internet Explorer, it will be full screen. When you press Shift and F7 key in Word, it will give you synonyms. Synonyms means your name and your different name. For example, your name is Muhammad. Maybe your brother call you Muhammad or any other name. That is synonyms. Okay? One item, two name, two or more name. That is synonyms. Caps lock. Caps lock is here. Capital. Yes, good. Tab key. This one.
To change or move.
To move from one column or to move from one place to another place. Yeah. Special keys like insert, home, delete and end. Insert key. Okay. Insert key means when you are right. For example, it is written here. Look here. I will show you very easy. It is written here something. You want to write here. When you press insert key, press one time. Put your cursor here and start typing. So you can type, it will move. Automatically it will move. Again you press insert key, means insert key is on and insert key is off. When you on the insert key, it is on, you can enter and it will move. But when you off the insert key, whatever you write, it will delete. A new word will be inserted here. Home key. If you are working anywhere, press home key, automatically you will reach to first page. Arrow keys, these are. Can you see here? This same. To move inside the document, anywhere. Down, top, left, right, bottom. Numeric keypad, this one, as I explained you. To enter the numbers, this one. Can you see?
You can lock this number, can use.
Yeah, you can use this number, numlock.
Okay, if you want, if you don't write.
Yeah, then one time you press, when the light is on, you can use number. Again you press, light is off, you can use that arrow key.
Arrow key?
Arrow, see? Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Numeric keypad, numlock, on, off, same thing is used. Window key. Yes, can you see this one?
Yeah.
Window key, can you see this?
Yes, yes.
When you press
Step.
this key, what window start, window will open here. You can press Alt and Tab key. So many windows, whatever is open, it will come. First program, second program, third program. Alt and Tab. When you press window and Tab key, one behind. First program behind that, second behind that, third, like that. Many program will be there. So this is the topic about all about computer. It's finished now.